Sewing tutorial for bodysuit. You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. This pattern is suitable only for stretchy fabrics. Cut and glue details together. This is bottom detail of the back. Don't forget folding line while cutting. This is top details of the back. This is bottom detail of the front. Sew shoulder seam on both sides. Finish the edges of these top details. Ruffle the bottom of the top details. Sew the seam under the chest. Sew the side seams. Finish the bottom edges of the bodysuit. Add clasp to the bottom. You can find matching pants pattern in another video.